Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete your Facebook account. Let's get started. Open up your Facebook application in your mobile device and then log in to your account. Once logged in, you'll be able to find the menu icon right over here. Tap onto it. Just like that, tap on the settings like icon and now tap on account center. Just like that, inside here, scroll below, then tap on personal details. Tap on account ownership and control. Just like that, tap on deletion and deactivation. Now inside here, you need to go ahead and simply choose your Facebook account. Just like that, simply select delete account, tap on continue, and just like that, Facebook will ask you to give a reason for your deletion. Go ahead and simply tap on to any of them and then tap on continue. Tap on no continue with deletion, and here tap on continue again. But before that, if you would like to download your information, simply tap onto this option, scroll below, then tap on continue again. Just like that, simply type in your password to confirm and then tap on continue. And then your Facebook account will be scheduled for deletion, usually within 30 days. If you log in during that time, you can still cancel deletion. That's it. That is how you can delete your Facebook account permanently. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.